Let's learn how to solve this question from JEE 2011. We have to find two sets P and Q of thetas that satisfy these equations and then find the relationship between P and Q. Let's start with set P. For set P, you can see that the given equation is sine theta minus cos theta equals to root 2 cos theta. And we have to find all values of theta that satisfy this equation. Now, to solve this equation, an easiest way is to reduce the number of variables to 1. And how we can do that? If we divide this equation by cos theta, then we'll be left with only tan theta, and that is equal to root 2 plus 1. So all the values of theta that satisfy this equation are in set P. Similarly, let's solve for set Q. The given equation is sine theta plus cos theta equals to root 2 sine theta, and again we can divide by cos theta to have only tan theta. So we have tan theta plus 1 equals to root 2 tan theta, and tan theta is equal to 1 upon 1 minus root 2. Now we can rationalize it, and after rationalization our tan theta is equal to 1 plus root 2. Therefore, both the sets contain all values of theta that satisfy tan theta equals to root 2 plus 1, and hence both the sets are equal. Therefore, our answer is D. If you want to learn how to solve JEE Advanced question, consider subscribing this channel.